My name is Christine Smith, and I am the founder and CEO of Grön Chocolate, based here in Portland, Oregon. So I entered the world of cannabis through a creative and unusual background as I practiced architecture for 16 years with a large firm here in Portland. And I really came at it from a creative and design perspective, more than a culinary perspective, and one with a lot of project management experience. So combining the creative aspect with the project management has really led to what this company has become in so many ways. Chocolate is beautiful. Chocolate is stable. It's just a fantastic medium. Chocolate is an art, and in a lot of ways the same way architecture is, where you're taking science, math and technology and turning it into something beautiful. Chocolate is like that. It's a very, very specific combination to temper chocolate correctly, and it takes a lot of learned skill, in a lot of ways similar to architecture. Creatively, I've never been so challenged in my whole life, and I say that in an amazing way. I worked, as an architect for 16 years, doing incredible jobs, but everything outside of cannabis moves at a pace that is, I guess, more traditional. And here in the cannabis world, there are no rules. And as a woman, it was just liberating to step into the world of cannabis. And we decide, I say to my group, hey guys, let's come up with a chocolate truffle. I want this beautiful chocolate covered truffle with smoked sea salt. Let's do it. And next thing you know, we've created this product, and then we're branding it, and we can bring it to market. And it happens, and we do it, and we've done it time and again. And that creative energy of being able to create something and then actually make it materialize and bring it to the people it's kind of addictive. I make because I'm passionate and truly passionate about coming into the cannabis industry and then taking my knowledge and our expertise and creating a craft product that then we can export back out of the cannabis industry and change people's lives and change people's perceptions of what cannabis can be. Because it's an amazing, amazing medicine, and it's a real art form, and I'm just thrilled at what we've been able to achieve as a cannabis community and where we've come, and we're just really proud to be part of it.